Lecture note, read drafting. Case: a teacher in a private school at Manikganj was dismissed by the managing committee of the school by order dated 11/2/2007 for misconduct. A comes to you. 1. Draft a writ petition for his redress. 2. Do you think that a private school under MPO comes within the definition of local authority or statutory body within the meaning of sub-article 5 of Article 102 of the Constitution? Read drafting. বাম পাশের মার্জিন হতে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ইন দ্য সুপ্রিম কোর্ট অফ বাংলাদেশ, খাতার মাঝখান হতে হাইকোর্ট ডিভিশন, ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেট স্টার্ট স্পেশাল অরিজিনাল জুরিসডিকশন, ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেট ক্লোজ, ক্যাপিটাল লেটার। রিট পিটিশন নাম্বার ডট ডট অফ ডট ডট আন্ডারলাইন ইন দ্য ম্যাটার অফ ক্যাপিটাল লেটার আন্ডারলাইন an application under Article 102 of the Constitution of the People's Republic of Bangladesh and in the matter of capital letter A, son of dot dot and dot dot of place dot dot post office dot dot police station dot dot district dot dot at present dot dot petitioner underline versus capital letter 1. Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh represented by the Secretary, Ministry of Education, Bangladesh Secretariat, Romna, Dhaka. 2. Director General, Directorate Secondary and Higher Secondary Education, Dhaka. 3. Chairman, Dhaka Shiksha Board, Dhaka. 4. Upazila Nirbahi Officer and Chairman, Managing Committee of Manikganj School Committee, Police Station dot dot Post Office dot dot District Manikganj. 5. Headmaster and Secretary of Manikganj School Committee, Police Station dot dot District Manikganj. Respondents. And in the matter of the dismissal order of the petitioner dated 11/2/2007 passed by the respondent number 4 from his service due to misconduct. এগুলো সবই খাতার মাঝখান থেকে লিখতে হবে। খাতার বাম পাশের মার্জিন থেকে প্রধান বিচারপতির অ্যাড্রেসটা লিখতে হবে। To Mr. Justice Syed Mahmood Hossain, the Honorable Chief Justice of Bangladesh and his companion justices of the Honorable Supreme Court. মাঝখান থেকে the humble petition on behalf of the petitioner above named respectfully hyphen. খাতার বাম পাশের মার্জিন হতে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার C with underline. Mathematical 1. That the petitioner is loyal, peace-loving, law-abiding and permanent citizen of Bangladesh. 2. That the addresses of the parties given in the cause title are correct for the purpose of serving of the notice upon them. 3. That the petitioner was appointed as a teacher of the school by the school committee on 10/2/2002. মাঝখান থেকে লিখতে হবে দ্য কপি অফ দ্য সেড অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট লেটার ডেটেড 10/2/2002 ইজ অ্যানেক্সড হেয়ার উইথ অ্যান্ড মার্কড অ্যাজ অ্যানেকচার এ। অ্যানেকচার এর নিচে আন্ডারলাইন দিতে হবে। 4. That after getting the job the petitioner do his job every sincerely and due diligence and received love and respect from the student and guardians, and there was no allegation raised against the petitioner. 5. That the respondent number 4 dismissed the petitioner from his service without giving any prior show cause notice on 11/2/2007. মাঝখান থেকে the photocopy of the said dismissal order is annexed herewith and marked as Annexure B. বাম পাশের মার্জিন হতে 6 that it is humbly submitted that the respondent number 4 dismissed the petitioner from his service without giving any prior show cause notice, which is violation of the fundamental right of the petitioner. 7. That being aggrieved by and dissatisfied with the impugned dismissal order, the petitioner begs to prefer this writ petition on the following amongst other grounds. Roman 1 খাতার বাম পাশ হতে, for that the dismissal by the respondent number 4 is illegal without lawful authority and is of no legal effect. Roman 2, for that the dismissal order by the respondent number 4 without giving any opportunity of being heard to the petitioner, which is violation of the principle of natural justice. As such, the said dismissal order is illegal without lawful authority and is of no legal effect. Roman 3, for that the respondent number 4 dismissed the petitioner by violating the fundamental rights of the petitioner, who is guaranteed under Article 40 of the Constitution of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. As such, the said dismissal order is illegal, void and is of no legal effect. Roman 4, for that the dismissed order by respondent number 4 neither is proper nor in accordance with law. এখন পেয়ার পোর্শন লিখতে হবে, খাতার মাঝখান থেকে পেয়ার পোর্শন লিখতে হবে। Wherefore, it is most humbly prayed that your lordships would graciously be pleased, capital A, to issue a rule nishi calling upon the respondents to show cause as to why the dismissal order by the respondent number 4 should not be declared illegal without lawful authority and is of no legal effects. Capital B, and after hearing the parties and perusing the question, if any, make the rule absolute. Capital C, and obligor pass such other or further order or orders as to your lordships may deem fit and proper. D, pending hearing of the rule, your lordship would further be pleased to say of the impugned order dated 11/2/2007 till disposal of the rule. খাতার বাম পাশের মার্জিন থেকে লিখতে হবে, and for this act of kindness the humble petitioner as in duty bound shall ever pray. এখন একটা এফিডেভিট দিতে হবে। এফিডেভিটটি কোনো একটি ভালো বই থেকে মুখস্থ করে লেখুন। আজকের মতো শেষ। গড ব্লেস অল, স্রষ্টা সবার মঙ্গল করুক। হ্যাপি এভরিডে টু অল, প্রতিদিন সব সৃষ্টির মঙ্গল হোক।